All right, we're trying to figure out what is Jake's present weight. So I'm trying to find Jake. What did it say? It says if Jake loses 8 pounds, so that would be J minus 8. I can't remember if I've said this. J is Jake's current weight. S represents the sister's weight. All right, if Jake loses 8 pounds, he will equals weigh twice as much as his sister. Well, that'd be 2S, twice as much as his sister. And together they now weigh 278. So Jake is about to put X. I'm so used to writing X. So Jake plus sister is current weight 278. And I'm going to, this is called a system of equations. Not that that matters, but you've got two equations with two unknowns. And we want to solve for Jake. So I'd like to have an equation that just have J's in it. I'm going to use something called substitution. I'm going to take this bottom equation and I'm going to solve it for S. S equals 278 minus J. And then I'm going to take this expression for S and plug it in the other equation. And that will give us just equation with J's. So J minus 8 equals 2 times S, which is 278 minus J. And that's J minus 8 equals 2 times 278. That's going to be a 6, a 5, a 5, minus 2J. Let me see here. So let's add 2J to both sides, and that gives me 3J. And let's add both to both sides. So that's going to be 564. And that's going to be 3. We're going to 5 once, and then I'll just do it over here. 3, we're going 5, 6, 4. One time, it's 3. It's 26. 8 times 3 is 24. And that's 24. 3, we're going to 24 8 times. Last time I checked. So Jake weighs 188. So there's your answer.